So sorry. They always show up in the spring and they disappear when it starts getting cold again. Phew. So, you know, I'm spring's biggest hater. I hate the spring. Phew. But I don't actually know what I'm allergic to. Because some days it gets really bad and it doesn't make any sense, so I don't really know what I'm allergic to. Phew. Jesus. I am so sorry.
Soap, suffering from allergies.
Oh my god, I am so sorry. Ugh. I'm trying not to be too disgusting. I am so sorry about this. Jesus. I'm good, I promise. This is just allergies, but I'm suffering. Okay. Yeah, I think staying together. I think staying together for the kids is actually a worse idea. Like, I do. Agreed. Who has this much time?
The plan is we're gonna go over and meet Thad.
Oh, she's cute. So sorry about this. Oh god, my allergies. If my makeup, if half of my makeup is gone when I end this stream, just don't comment on it, please. See, I'm crying. Jesus Christ.
Right away, like without thinking, she just had it ready.
What happened after that? Oh my god, I completely ruined my makeup. I can feel it. Woo! Alright. Wearing makeup today is being very challenging, but I had to go places in the morning. And if I don't wear makeup, everyone thinks I'm 15. I'm sorry. I was being so serious now. Oh, I need to sneeze. Oh god. I'm good, I promise. So sorry.
And just like take when you go on the grinder and you meet someone, they have to actually be nice. Yeah. Okay. So you start talking to Joey.
What is it that was so different about your conversation?
Sweet. Trying to talk to me. So the conversation just kept on going until the point that family started talking to me. And friends. And ex-boyfriend.
I am really sorry about my allergies. I really am. But you know who I'm especially sorry for? Myself. Because I have to deal with this. You know when you dive into a pool and you go like this inside the water and you feel all of the water go on your nose? That's what I feel like today. God, I'm crying again.
From the real Sarah, we've got our girl. We know where she lives. The only thing
I don't get it. Like, why would you agree to that?
You did it to me. I really like that too.
I am so sorry. Allergies, huh? Oh my god. Oh my god, I could breathe through my two nostrils for a second. That was great. This can't be real. Nah, these... Ah. Ah. All right.
And then it just went on.
So in high school, she gave your number to a boy that liked her as a joke.
Yeah. Well, actually started, going into the chat rooms, just as a way to meet people that were bi and lesbian, was looking for that. And Kara actually was like, hey,